Hey everyone and good morning from Jaipur. Yesterday me and my cousin we both arrived quite late and obviously we didn't go anywhere or did something special or explore anything. And here's the thing. Today we have a flight and we had to leave for the airport like around 11 a.m. and right now it's 7:30 in the morning. So basically we have like 3 hours. So the challenge is like what can we cover and what can we do in this 3 hours. So let's get started.
So before we start the video, I want to show you guys a beautiful place where I stayed in. I stayed in a hostel named as the Hostler, and it was my first time staying in a hostel, and I had a great time here. So this was the dorm where I stayed. It's a little messy, so please excuse the mess. This was the common area, which was my favorite part of the hostel because it just looked so beautiful. The hostel is themed around a fusion of Rajasthani art and culture mixed with modern and smart design. It is easily accessible for all the travelers. Staying in hostel has become one of the most popular types of lodging, and there is always something fun happening at the hostels, and you can meet interesting people from around the world. So the first place we visited was Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located on the edge of City Palace Jaipur and extends right to the Zenana. Hawa Mahal is a structure made of red and pink sandstone and has a pyramidal structure which almost resembles a crown. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap in the year 1799. Hawa Mahal derives its name from its structure, which is a mesh of small windows. It has 953 tiny windows, also known as jharoka, that allowed cool wind to enter the place and hence kept the place comfortable during summer. The main reason behind the construction was to allow the women of the royal house to observe the festivities on the street while being unseen from the outside. There are many great cafes in front of Hawa Mahal where you can enjoy the view of Hawa Mahal and relax. Many people come here for the spectacular views. We also stopped by and had our breakfast in one of the cafes. After having a delicious breakfast, we moved to our next place. The magnificent City Palace in Jaipur is one of the most famous tourist attractions located in the old part of the city. Built by Maharaja Savai Singh, the vast complex of palace occupied 1/7 of the walled city. Once you enter the palace, all you can do is stand transfixed by its beauty while you soak in the marvelous architecture and the artifacts inside the palace. The palace is divided into a series of courtyards, buildings, and gardens, including Chandra Mahal and Mubarak Mahal. Museum showcases various handcrafted products and other things that belong to the royal heritage of the city palace. The City Palace is a building that has preserved the history of the city. The Mubarak Mahal is perfect confluence of Rajput, Islam and European architecture and is the hallmark to showcase the city palace Jaipur architecture, which is one of its kind. In an inner courtyard called Pritam Niwas Chowk, there are 4 doorways in the walls. Each of these doors is unique in its design and decoration and beautiful to behold. The 4 doors represent the season and different Hindu gods. The Peacock Gate is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and represents autumn. The Rose Gate represents winter and is dedicated to Goddess Devi. The Green Gate represents spring and is dedicated to Lord Ganesh. The Southeast Lotus Gate, dedicated to Shiva and Parvati, represents summer season. Above the courtyard stands the imposing Chandra Mahal, the Maharaja's residence, regarded as the most important and beautiful commanding building of the city palace complex. It has 7-story citadel which provides an unmatched scenic view of the Jaipur city. That's all for today's video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it.